Whoa. Didn't like being called a pig, huh? Hi, buddy. Good morning. Is it hammer time? Yeah? It's hammer time? Time to go to work, huh? Luckily work for you is playing. Playing on a Christmas Saturday morning with snow outside. A hammer in hand. Back to the toy box. Well, that's a good one. No, not that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play on every side.
You gotta move it out of the way to get the other stuff. There you go. You found the ball. Boy, you got a ball. Yeah, you got a ball. You gonna play ball with me? Are you gonna play ball with me? Here. Here, ready? Oh. I guess not. Oh. It's another ball. I guess we're playing empty the toy box. Oh, you got a book? You gonna put the ring thing back? Yep. Oh, it's reading time, huh? I guess not. Oh, yeah. It's time to read. I think you're definitely left-handed. Just saying. It's Tigger. Another book. Is that a truck? Yep. It's a truck. That's a pretty cool ball you got there.